It's John McLaughlin. Welcome to day 164. This is the My Lead Gen Secret Clickbank case study of 2024, and I'm promoting Clickbank every single day to see how much revenue we can generate in 12 months and beyond. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go to my Clickbank account. I've just logged in. I'm just going to go and refresh the page. It's Saturday, by the way, so I'm going to make this quick if I can. So one sale today, that's from Social Sales Rep. So that's nice, always good to have more sales. So if we go to the reporting, and we'll go on the 1st of January to today, which is the 6th of July already. I always say already, it's the 6th of July. Right, so 3,098.86. See how long it took us to sort of, I was talking for so long about, oh, we get to the $3,000 threshold, and now we've gone almost 3-1. Okay, so it's going quick. Okay, 44,957 hops, 325 order form impressions. On the initial sales, new business 98, and on the rebills as well, rebills and new business 123. And I know that number is going to increase now because we're doing social sales rep, so we're going to get more recurring commission. Okay, all good. So the way I get my information, I go to the affiliate marketplace, and if you go to the affiliate side, so if you go into the e-business and e-marketing category, because this is what your leads want, they want BizOp stuff. So you go to the affiliate page, and you either go to the short ads or you can go to the emails. Okay, email swipe, you'll get 20 different emails that you can kind of use. I say kind of, take some important elements of those and rewrite them. Okay, really important. If that's a bit of a challenge for you, then the easiest thing to do, if I can go back to, let's just go back. Go to the short ads. Okay, this is what I do. Okay, I generally do a bit of a hybrid. Sometimes it's easier just to take a tiny snippet of information, maybe just a little bit of the middle, okay, as I say, the middle of the sandwich, and build out your sandwich with your own thoughts and your own feelings and your own personality. That's generally what I do now. So I'll make it timely. So I'll talk about it's the weekend. Okay, so I'll say it's a weekend, just keep it quick, okay, and talk about something relevant, and you're far more likely to get sales because you're putting that human element into it. Okay, you're talking to them, you're connecting with them as a human being, not just a load of jumbled words on a page. Okay, so you've got to connect with your audience. It's really important. Right, so My Lead Gen Secret, if you don't know what it is, best thing to do, go and have a look at the description. The first link in the description will take you to my page, and I can tell you all about My Lead Gen Secret, and I can tell you exactly how to make the most profit with My Lead Gen Secret by looking at that and looking at the video. So I've got 5 accounts stacked together. One thing I recommend you do with this is you get 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Now, if you refer somebody to the system, bearing in mind you're getting leads in from My Lead Gen Secret, why wouldn't you then go and promote it as well as promoting Clickbank? Okay, so when you refer somebody to My Lead Gen, you'll get $5 a month commission, and you'll also get 100 additional bonus leads every single day. Now, one of the things that they allow you to do is they allow you, My Lead Gen Secret, allow you to become an affiliate for yourself. Okay, so you see this link here. Okay, this is my account number 1. This is my affiliate link for number 1. I use that link to go and get account number 2. Then I use number 2 affiliate link to get account number 3. Then I use number 3 affiliate link to get account number 4. And finally, I got number 4 affiliate link to get account number 5. So I've got 5 accounts stacked together. I get 200 leads on 4 accounts, and I get 100 leads on the 5th account. Now, obviously, the 5th account, you just put people into that, and you get the leads anyway, and also the commissions. But that is the way that I do it. 5 accounts stacked on top of each other. I get 1,000 leads a week. No, I get 1,000 leads a day. Okay, coming into those 5 accounts, and that makes a bit of a difference. Okay, but regardless of how many leads you get, if you send in emails that don't really mean anything, or you're not connecting with your audience, they're not going to work. So one thing I recommend is getting a minimum of 3 accounts to use this. If you can't afford 3 accounts, then get 1 account. Okay, 1 account is going to cost you $60 a month, $60 in the first month, and it's going to cost you $30 per month per account. So times that by how many you want. I spend $150 a month on my mileage and secret accounts, and I 10x that in terms of commissions easily, just as a ballpark figure. Okay, just by doing this strategy. Okay, so what you want to do is just start with what you can afford, sustain what you can sustain those expenses for 3 to 6 months, and then build up from there. Okay, if you can comfortably afford 3 accounts, then get 3 accounts. If you can afford 5 and you're going to do this on a regular basis, i.e. do it every day consistently, then do that as well. Okay, right, okay, so breathe. Right, so mailing system. I've got an email already good to go, already prepared to go, and again it's just really simple, talking about the angle I took with this was escape the rat race, because it's the weekend, it's Saturday, tomorrow's going to be Sunday, people are going to be shutting the curtains on the weekend going, oh my god, there's going to be more to life than just this. 48 hours of freedom before I've got another 5 or 6 days of grind. Okay, what is life about? So I'm kind of taking that kind of angle because there are a lot of people in that position. And the thing is with this live chat jobs, there's a lot of people doing this, and there's a lot of people renewing, which is important, which is what you want. You want people to be renewing because people are happy with what they're doing. Right, so we've got the headline. That guy on the motorbike always goes past when I start doing videos. Right, yesterday the dogs were barking. Today I've got Mr. Scrambler outside. Right, there we go. That's Control V. Okay, so let's have a look. So what's living on dirt now? Far-fetched. Okay, a bit hypey. Yeah. Okay, let's use that. Okay, so one thing I put was does I talk about escaping the rat race. You know, it's like when marketers go, do you want to escape the rat race? Do you want to live life on your terms? And you go, oh, just get away with your hype, bugger off. You know, so I kind of mitigate that by saying, okay, does actually escaping the rat race and living life on your terms seem a little bit far-fetched or a bit hypey? Okay, because what are most people going to do? Yes, John. Yes, it is. Okay, so then I go in to explain why and justify what I'm saying. And that's a good way to get people saying yes, and that's really what you're looking for in the right circumstances. You don't want to try and convince people, you just want to try and get on the same level. Because most people know, most marketers are just full of hot air. That's a nice way of putting it. So just be truthful with people, and the more truthful you talk to people, the more people will resonate with your message and what you're saying, and they'll get to know, like, and trust you. And guess what happens when that happens? You make sales eventually. Right, so that's all done. That we're happy with that. I'm going to copy the link. We're going to go and we've got the hyperlink ready, so we're going to go and put that in. Paste that in. It's 1 ml, 6 of the 7th. Yeah, that's good to go. We'll go and bold that. And the click here for details, our first link. I'm going to right click and paste that in, and that's going to be 1 alpha. Now, as I always say, I always show my my emails because they may or may not work for you, and this is me speaking as I speak, or typing as I speak, pretty much, and it's me and it's my style. And I say it may or may not work for you, so you've got to find your own style. Right, let's go and preview it. Go and have a look. Make sure the links work. Really important to make sure your links work. I remember I never used to check the links, and every so often, if I was tired, the link would be the wrong one, which would be a complete and utter waste of my time. It's not for somebody else. Live chat jobs were very happy with me. Okay, and there's the masterclass. Let's go and check that, because I haven't checked that for a while. There we go, all good to go. Look at that, beautiful. Right, let's go and send it. Send the email. So I told you we're on it today. We're going to get through this quick, and we're done. Okay, so what we do is we go to, we've got the subject line there. In fact, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it on a new pad. Grab that. And we're going to grab the source. So if you hit the source, okay, it gives you all the source code for your email. Click anywhere, click Control A. Oh, bugger it, I've just done that wrong way. Don't do V. Right, I can right click and undo. There we go. Good. Okay, Control A and then Control C. Right, that's all pasted into my notepad. So Control A and C again. Now what we'll do is cycle through all the different accounts. So it's really straightforward. Number 2, mailing system, select all the leads, right click on the subject and paste. And we'll come down to the source, Control A, V, source, take out what we don't want, and then just change the link from a 1 to a 2, and from a 1 to a 2. There we go. Okay, perfect timing. Send email. I'll tell you what happened the other day. I was looking at my stats and I had another email came in from the middle of June. That's 2. And remember we had that little dry spell where we had 4 or 5 days, maybe 6 days where we were changing over products, but I think there was a problem with the servers. And sometimes this happens, you know, when you've got, you know, a service like this sending out millions and millions of emails. Sometimes when you have a bit of a down spell, that can sometimes be the case where the emails are kind of backed up and then eventually they'll get delivered. So I know it's like one person. I made a sale from I think it was like about a month ago. Okay, but for 2 people to actually sign up from a month ago means I think the servers have been lagging a little bit. Okay, which it's probably the first time I've seen it, but yeah, just a bit of interest for you, a bit of trivia. So mailing system, select all leads. Usually when you do the mileage and secret, you get into a nice flow, and you kind of know when you're going to get a sale because it just happens. And when you don't get a flow, you know something has happened. Either you've done something or something outside. Nope. 3. You only get that with experience, but the thing is, you just remain consistent. The system works, the system's reliable. Right, so send email. Right, 2 more accounts to do. So I'll go account, I'll go log out. Right, into account number 4. Mailing system, select all the leads. Right click and paste. Control A and V. Yeah, if you're on my newsletter, if you get my newsletter, it goes out on a Saturday morning, most of the time, on a Saturday, sometimes on a Sunday. But I was speaking about the numbers in relation to mileage and we're now in Q3, which is typically the quieter times of the year for online business, but we're still maintaining quite a decent turnover. And my goal with this is to go to $200 a week just with Clickbank. Okay, and I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to do that with what we're doing now, with the type of emails that we're sending and the product that we're using. So there we go. What are we on now? The 6th of June, 6th of July. Okay, so there we go. $200 per week, which has always been the target. It's always been the target, and even if you've got your own target in mind, never get discouraged. Just think, okay, it's not working because of me. Okay, I need to improve me. And if you go along with that and just constantly think, well, how can you deliver better? How can you serve your audience better? How can you write better emails? Then you'll arrive at the target that you want. In fact, you'll not only will you arrive at it, eventually you'll exceed it. But it just takes a little bit of patience, a bit of nous, a bit of intelligence, just applying to what we do. Well, I've put 6 there. It's because I can't see this keyboard. One of these little gaming keyboards, it's rubbish. Yeah, so that's where we're going. Send email. And yeah, I'm not going to get any more accounts. There was talk about getting more accounts to promote something like HBA or whatever, but I don't think I'm going to do that. There we go. We are done. Right, let's go to Clickbank. We'll go and refresh the page. Have a quick look to see if anything has come in. So 3098, so we're looking about 31 something. Okay, just the same. That's good. Well, it's even better when I sell, but that's 3 times what I sell online whilst we've been live. Anyway, hope you got some value from that. I know it's been a quick one today, but it is Saturday. We are kind of enjoying the weekend, or I'm about to go and enjoy the weekend. Any questions that you've got, reach out to me with any comments. Just leave me a comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you. Give us a big thumbs up as well. I'll see you on the session tomorrow, or the next session. Bye for now.